Gary, can you just give everybody a quick overview from your vantage point on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, when
Yep.
and where and how?
LinkedIn, very good B2B, unbelievable organic reach, similar to Facebook 2011, similar to Instagram 2014. Everybody here can post something on LinkedIn in video, audio, written form and get more people to see it than they could ever imagine. Very B2B focused, but starting to become more B2C focused. I'm seeing people sell wine and unbelievable amounts of like clothes and peanut butter on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is Facebook 2012. Facebook, the best ad product. You can target like crazy. An incredible platform if you're trying to reach 45 to 90-year-olds with your service. Facebook groups are an incredible thing to build where you can get people into. That's Facebook. Instagram is the one right now, right? It's the most competitive. It's the hardest to break through, but it is where the contemporary 18 to 45-year-old culture is living. Content is the variable. It's hard to get viral there. It's the most competitive and most important place. And you're starting to feel like you're on the downside of Instagram with TikTok's emergence and a little fatigue, but it's still a beast that'll be here for a long time. Twitter is an incredible platform for a lot of people. It should be the platform you do the most listening. Twitter search is the best part of Twitter. Type in drop shipping and see people talking and then get into the conversation. It is a cocktail party and you have permission to join any convo. That makes it a beast. I'm a huge, huge fan. TikTok, make content you want to make, not what you think you need to make on TikTok. It's not about dancing. It's not about memes. It's about you putting out what you want to put out. It's getting older by the second, 20, 30, 40-year-olds by the second. So I think TikTok, much like Instagram, much like Facebook, will evolve into something different than it actually is. That's my little speed round. That was kind of good.
Brilliant.